This is really cheesy.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing.
Alright, guys. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Cook With Me. With your host, me. Kenzie Boo. Today's meal, we're cooking the one pot broccoli mac and cheese. I'm not a mac and cheese person because I don't really like cheese, but he likes mac and cheese, all that jazz. But I do like broccoli. That's the ingredients. If y'all want to go ahead and this is what we're cooking. And if y'all want to go ahead and screenshot the recipe, HelloFresh ain't sponsoring me, so I don't give a fuck. Here you go. Don't say I never gave you nothing. Just pause it right there. If you want to cook this yourself, we got the pasta. So they want me to prep it and prep. Alright. Let me get my bigger cutting board. I literally just finished doing the dishes, y'all. Literally just finished doing the dishes. So we got our scallion. I got my shrimp. I need to season that because I'm adding shrimp to it. Again, to jazz it up. So my shrimp thawed out. This is my scallion. Gotta wash that bad boy. This is more broccoli, I guess. Yeah. I also have broccoli. This is wheat. Alright, we just gonna let it do what it do. Hold on, let me season my shrimp. Let them marinate while I'm doing everything else. Need a bowl. Hold on, let me bring y'all closer so y'all can see. So I'm using about half a bag of shrimp, and I'm gonna take the tails off because I don't like that. You could do this with just the broccoli. It was a vegetarian meal, but I knew when I picked it that I was going to add the shrimp to it. You can add chicken, beef, whatever you want. Like, customize it, make it yours. Alright, let's get to seasoning this bad boy. I'm going to add our typical salt. I don't use a lot because of like everything else that you add. Throw in some good old black pepper. Sprinkle that on there. Not too much. That's an Italian seasoning. Throw that on there. Got some adobo. Adobo on there. And again, I don't be putting too much because you see how much stuff goes in there that already has salt and garlic powder. That already has salt. You don't want to like over salt it. Some onion powder. I like mine a little spicy. Not too much because Bae doesn't like spice that much. Threw some chili powder on there. And then Cajun. Now, if I was making this, I'd have put a lot more. But not if I was making this. If I was making this for myself, I'd have put a lot more. Put some cayenne in there. Yeah. That's it. I'm gonna go a little light-handed with it. Paprika. Because again, Bae doesn't like it too spicy. And for me, I can always add spice at the end. Mix that up there. Make sure that that seasoning is getting through it, child. and then put that to the side. Again, I don't know how it's done in your household, but in my household, most black people, we don't really measure shit. We just like gauge. Get mine right. I gotta measure it to the T. And again, I know people that can just eyeball it with bacon. I'm not one of those people. I'm not there yet. But with cooking, I eyeball all the way, baby. And again, these are pre-washed. I washed these already. I don't just stick stuff in there. And I think I mentioned this in my last video that I do save the ends because I plant them in my little balcony garden that I got going on. I'm low-key mad that they use this broccoli and not like whole broccoli, but I think I should have some whole broccoli that I can like, put in there at the same time. Alright, my seasoning. Making noise is something that my top is ready. And when you put the seasoning first, like your food gets like the seasoning flavor, which I like. You don't want to burn it now. You want it to be just right. Throw my shrimp in there. Get all that juicy goodness. Panko. And they said over medium heat. I was close. And they got the scallions in there. Want this stir until it's golden. All right, then they want me to take it out and put it in a small bowl. is really cheesy. Look at that. Oh yeah. We're about to taste this meal right here. That's some good wine. But let's get into this food though. Ooh, I don't know if y'all heard that goosh? I'm sorry, that goosh was lit. I'm not a cheese person, but this tastes good. I'd make this again. Also like a little crunch in my food. This is crunchy. Delicious. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go enjoy my meal. If y'all recreate, please tag me. I'm gonna leave my socials down below. Write in the comments if you've tried it, what you think. Let me know because peace.